Helen, Georgia, at the Welcome Center.
Can you get you and Beth get up there?
What are you doing?
Waiting on you as usual. Your mom wanting a picture. We got a little park. Put that thing down.
Well, you don't want to be a star? We're in this little park at the Welcome Center of Helen, Georgia. It's a nice little park. Looks like it's dedicated to our services, armed services. Here's it. It says Coast Guard. Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps. Oh, here's the Army. City of Helen Veterans Memorial Park, dedicated 2018. This is a nice park. Lionel H. Glaze. All kinds of German buildings everywhere. It's a German little town. A little bit of Helen, Georgia. Fried Cheese Cafe. Dizzy Bear. Dizzy Bear gift shop. Okay.
Baby. Here's an old piano you're using for display for clothing. See it? Ain't that cool?
Old piano.
Old piano right there. I'm going into the other room. I'm going here.
Yes, we always have a 2-for-1 unless it's a semi-annual sale, and that is we usually have the last room, not more than
Smack right in the head.
Huh?
So I got smacked and moved to the
Oh,
beat.
you ran into the bee too.
Lots of clothes, lots of clothes.
Yeah, that's how that says the underwear.
Talk dirty to me. Them are boxers.
Them are boxers. Talk dirty to me. Hey, right there. The back of honey. Almost.
Yeah, actually.
It almost looks like honey.
How much are those? $16.99 for a pair of boxers.
Yeah, but it's that was cute. You're just so excited.
Dizzy Bear's clearance spot out here on the front porch. Look at all these old cool pictures. More signs. The working telephone. Alpine Vibes. 4 free shirts. No. 2 free shirts.
But he's working on
Bath and Beauty. All kinds of little shops back in here. Naked Bee. What? Yeah, the bears.
Look how big he is.
Oh, that bear.
That bear.
Where'd you go? Hey, come sit on the bear. Sit on the bear. Why are you not sitting on the pole? Huh?
Yeah, he's up there. Jump that high. Remember, I'm short-legged.
What if he's...
Yeah, you sit on the paw, long legs.
What?
You're taller than I am.
Yeah, video mom, videoing us.
Hey, you gotta take the cap off.
That is nice. Hopefully one day in Quartzsite we can come across something like that. Oh, look at all these candle boxes. Look at this one, dear. Gem mine open, pay dirt 75.
Look at all the wind chimes.
More over here yet.
Be in love.
Please do not lick the glass. Oh man.
Wicked snappers.
Uh,
A bit. Are you doing
yeah, we gotta come back here.
You gotta come back here, alright. Yeah.
You trying to stay away from the sweets?
Oh man. Oh, look at those.
Yeah.
Alright.
Did you want one? You need a bib. Oh. You have it all over.
I think I got diabetes just walking in there. A lot of them have the same stuff in, you know. Oh, here's food.
Yeah.
Closed.
You went in the back?
Well, we're already covered. People's bringing her out of that. Is that not cool?
Where in the world are you from? Look at all these pins.
That is cool.
Wow. There's padlocks on the bottom of this bridge.
Maybe and I went down there. You were right up against the river, right?
What's all the padlocks for?
But you gotta go up and around.
Padlocks.
Yeah, but no, there's other, oh, I don't know. I forget what they're for.
Wow, look at this one, dear.
They are either couples or some people that died. They showed it on the street.
He's looking at all the birdies and look, dude, you're missing something here.
Padlocks everywhere.
Look at the fish.
There's another old one. Look at that one.
There's a fish one.
Fish padlock.
They showed it on that soap opera that I watched. Couples. And they put their names on it.
There's another one and another one. These here are old. These are from 1800s.
Isn't that cool?
They're open. Well,
So they put blocks on like they do in
Russia.
lunch on the river this way. Oh crap! I just don't go down. There's locks on that one too. More padlocks on this side of the bridge. So we got to come back. We got to put a lock on. Who?
Yeah.
I seen that. I ain't watched it yet. There's another fish one.
Yeah, that was prettier. It's painted.
Look at the
There's
heart.
two of them old ones.
Look at the heart rock.
Yeah.
Not so many on that side yet. Got another hearts. Those are cool.
Get it navigating
Yes.
on the walk.
Yeah, on the walk, because you already had it.
Got gator jerky. Soda Jerks ice cream shop. Underground, Helen. There's an ice cream shop.
Well, we're going to turn the third corner.
What? This is a nice one. Holy crap, I ain't seen a photo booth in forever. What are we doing?
Sitting for your mom.
My feet almost don't touch the ground.
I don't touch the ground. Doo-doo-doo-doo.